Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, in previous session you have learned how you can create a database in the Microsoft Office Access. As you know, Microsoft Access it is a part of Microsoft Office package. In this you can create records, you can create tables, etc. Today In today's session, we are going to discuss how can we create forms and reports in the Microsoft Access. A form resembles a fill in the blanks sheet that you would complete by hand, such as job application. You have to create a form. For this purpose, go to create tab and click on it. Once you will click on the create tab on the ribbon, then this type of change you will see here. Now you have to click on the form from the forms group like this. Access creates a form and places all the fields of the selected table on the form. You can use this navigation pen to move through the records on the form. Like if you want to go to next record, you will be clicking on this next button. If you want to go to the last record, then this is last record button. You can click on it. Next one, this is new record. You will click on it when you want to add a new record here. As you have clicked here on the new record, then this type of screen it will appear here. Here you will enter the new records in it. Now I am going to discuss that how can you display the form in different views. There are three views here in which a form can be displayed. Once you will click on it, it will display here these views. First one is form view, second is layout view, third is design view. First I am telling you about the form view. Form view is used to enter or edit data. Second view is layout view. It allows you to see the data as it will appear when you are using the form. You can also change the form design in this view. The form is actually running when it is shown in the layout view. Next is design view. Design view gives you more detailed view of the structure of the form, and you can see three sections of the form header, detail and form footer. So in this way you can create a form in the MS Access. Access provides you the facility to change the appearance of the form by using various options available in the design and format tab. This is design tab and this one is format tab. Here you will find various options for changing the appearance of the form. Firstly, I am telling you how you can add the title, logo and date and time of your form using the options present in the header and footer group. For this, go to design tab. Here is a header and footer group. Here you will see first one is logo. Once you will click on it, then you can once you will click on it, then you will be able to change the logo. Next one, it is title. When you want to display a title in a form, then you will be clicking on it. Here you can display the title of this form like this, as you can see here. This is title. Next one, it is date and time. Once you will click on it, it will display here the format of date and time. You can make the changes according to your requirement in it. Here you can see in the right side today's date and time. It has been displayed here now. Now I am telling you how you can create a report in the Microsoft Access. Firstly, I want to tell you what is a report. A report is an effective way to present your data in a printed format. As you have control over the size and appearance of everything on a report, you can display or print the information the way you want to see it. To create a report, select the table or query on which you want to create your report, and now just have a look here how I am going to create a report here. Firstly, click on the Create tab on the ribbon like this. Now click on the Report option from the Reports group. This is Reports group. From here you have to click on Report option. As you will click on Report option, then you will watch that MS Access, it has displayed here the report like this. So in this way you can create a report also in the Microsoft Access. There are 4 views in which a report can be displayed. One is report view, second is print preview, third is layout view, and last one it is design view. You can display the report in these 4 views as per your requirement. So that's all for today. Today I have explained you how you can create a form and a report in the Microsoft Access. Hope you have seen all the steps properly. For today, only this much. Thank you so much.